In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to identify the QR code scanner button in Coinbase Wallet. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to find the scanner and how to start scanning a QR code to quickly pull in a wallet address, making transfers faster and reducing typing errors. First, open your Coinbase Wallet app on your mobile device. Make sure you're using Coinbase Wallet, which is the self-custody app, not the separate Coinbase Exchange app. If you haven't used it in a while, it's a good idea to update to the latest version so the buttons and layout match what you see here and everything runs smoothly. Next, log into your account and unlock the wallet the way you normally do. That might be a passcode or your device's biometric unlock. Keep your recovery phrase safe and private and never enter it anywhere during this process. You won't need it just to find or use the QR scanner. Once you're on the home screen, tap Transfer. Depending on your version, this may appear as a prominent action on the home screen or within the main navigation. Transfer is where you go when you want to move crypto from your wallet to another address or prepare to receive. Opening this screen sets you up for the next step, which is finding the scanner icon. On the transfer screen, look for the QR code icon. It typically looks like a small square made up of 4 corner brackets or a pixelated square, and is usually placed near the top right of the screen or next to the address field where you'd normally paste a wallet address. Tap that QR code icon to open the scanner. If your phone asks for permission to use the camera, allow it so the scanner can read the code. Your camera viewfinder will appear. Point it at the QR code you want to scan. This might be displayed on another device or on a printed label. Hold your phone steady and make sure the code is well lit and fully visible in the frame. The app will automatically recognize the code and populate the wallet address for you, saving you from manually typing it. Before moving forward with any transfer, take a moment to double check that the detected address and network are exactly what you expect. Compare the first and last few characters of the address and ensure it matches the asset's network to avoid misdirected funds. That's it. Open the app, log in, tap Transfer, then tap the QR code icon to start scanning. With this simple flow, you'll streamline your transfers and reduce the chance of errors. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any part if you want to review those on-screen locations again.